Welcome students in our online class. Myself Vaishali Praveen Chaugule, working at Latte Education Society's Ganpatrao Arwade College of Commerce, Sangli. Students, today we are going to learn first poem from second section, Song of the Open Road, which is written by Walt Whitman. Before starting poem, we are going to discuss about icebreakers. What is the meaning of icebreakers? Icebreakers is an activity which provides hints about poem. Such kind of activities will help you to test previous knowledge of students, or such kind of activities will help you to solve personal response type question. Students, open page number 93 where some activities are given. Let us see how to solve them. First activity, choose the mode of travel that you would like the most for a journey. 4 options are given here. A. Airways, B. Waterways, C. Railways, D. Roadways. Here you have to select one mode of travel which you like most. For example, the answer is railway. Your answer may be different. You can choose any mode of travel. Next question is dependent upon first question, where you have to give reasons why you prefer this mode of travel. Means here you have to think about advantages of mode of travel which you selected for your journey. You have to think whether it is safe, whether it is affordable, or uses of that particular mode of travel, and you have to think the facilities provided by that particular mode of travel. Think about all and write down your answer. You can write the answers like this. First, it is one of the oldest mode of the transport. So, I have selected railway for journey. Next point, it is affordable, means it is cheaper than other mode of travel. Any common person can travel by railway. Third point, it reduces pollution, means it is eco-friendly. Next point, it is symbol of unity in diversity. And next point, it is safe for journey. You can travel safely by railway. So, I prefer this mode of travel. Next question. Discuss with your partner the preparations you would like to make for the journey chosen. Students, think about preparations. Means what kind of preparations you want to do before your journey, which things you want to collect, and which things you want to carry during your journey. Make a list of those things and write down your answer. You can write your answer like this. First important thing is book your ticket. First, book your ticket. Second, book your accommodation. Accommodation means the place where you want to stay. For example, hotel, lodging, boarding. Next point, choose the right travel bag for your trip. To keep your things safely, right travel bag is very important. So, choose the right travel bag for you. Next point, choose important travel documents, cash and credit card. While traveling, the important travel documents are also important. For example, passport, Aadhaar card. If you want to carry cash with you, then collect it. Or suppose if you don't want to carry cash, then take credit cards with you. Next point, carry list of emergency contacts. Suppose if you face problems during journey, at that time to make a contact, take a list of emergency contact with you. And next point, carry all essential things like first aid box. First aid box is important if you injured. Second, eating material. Third, medicine, mobile power bank. Such a essential things you can carry with you. Next question, discuss the ways in which you would overcome the problem, hindrance, difficulties you face during your journey. Students, now you have to think about disadvantages of mode of travel which you selected for your journey. Means here mention some problems which you may face during journey. You may face theft, accident, sometime train will be delayed. In such a condition, how you will try to overcome the problem, how you will face the problem, think about it and write down the answer. First important thing, I will keep my mind stable, means I will be calm in every situation, in every problem. Next, I will try to take help from local or police. Means if I will face problem, then I will contact police or I will take the help from local people. Next, I will inform to my friends or relatives if I face problem during journey. And next point, I will try to learn and understand the language of destination. To communicate with a person, language is very important, and so to express or to share my problem, I will try to understand the language of the destination. Next activity, during every journey we have to observe certain rules. Discuss your idea of the journey without any restriction. You can begin like this. One is done for you. I would go alone with selected friend. Here, student, you have to think about idea of happy journey without restriction. First point is given here that I would go alone with selected friends. Some people like to go alone with their friends. Second point I mentioned here, that is I would like to go with my family member. But some people like to spend time with their family members, or they want to go for journey with their family members. So I wrote here this point. Next point, I would enjoy the trip without any burden of elders, teachers and parents. I want to enjoy my journey. Next point, I would switch off my mobile. During a journey, I want to spend time for me. I want to enjoy that time. So, I will switch off my mobile. And next point, I would choose a beautiful destination. Suppose if you want to spend a time in company of nature, some people will choose the places which they like most, like hill station or historical places. Means here one point is given that I would choose a beautiful destination. And next, I would not carry any luggage with me to make my journey happy. Students, here we saw how to solve icebreakers activities. Next period, we will see the poem Song of the Open Road, which is written by Walt Whitman. Thank you very much.